Hello everyone, you are watching Sathwik Arts. Hope you all are doing well. Here we have got a product from Amazon. Let's unpack this and see what's inside. Here we have got a combo pack of Sakura 0.3 mm mechanical pencil. In the combo pack we get foam eraser, a lead box which contains 12 leads of 2B range and a mechanical pencil. At the back of the pack you can see the description of the product. As usual, it has a cushioning mechanism which absorbs excess pressure and avoids lead breakage, and we have Sakura foam eraser as well as a lead box of 12 leads. Let's see each product in detail. In the pack, we get a 0.3 mm mechanical pencil which has a very slender and thin leads. The whole body is made up of plastic, and on the pencil you can see the brand name 0.3 Sakura, and it also indicates made in Japan. At the back you can see the eraser from where you can insert extra leads into it. And the eraser is light and effortless. It retains its cleanness so the paper surface remains clean, and it is easy to erase for fine liners. And we have a lead box which contains 12 2B leads in the box. These are high quality polymer leads. Let's draw something with this pencil and see what the results are. This art was done on normal A4 size paper. In this art I use only 0.3 mm Sakura mechanical pencil. Let's see how it turns up. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more art related videos. Thank you.